Here is the Wyze Sense Starter Kit. We're going to be taking 60 seconds to take a look at the gear in the box, and then I'm going to take you out in my garage and show you my install of it working. So this thing is really small. I know you've heard that, but it is really small. Take a look at that. 2¼ inches just in the package size. That means 2 door sensors, a hub, and a motion sensor are all packed inside of it. Opening the box, you see that it's almost like a SIM card ejection tool. And that is what you poke in the holes of each device in order to tell it to pair. On top is the hub. It plugs into your version 2 Wyze Camera. No configuration needed. It just works on its own. There are the sensors. Look at that, 1 inch across for the entire width of the door sensor with the magnet there. And if you dig hard enough, you will find some cute little sensors, cute little stickers for your sensors that go on your doors. Here they are again. Leave any questions down below if you have any, and I'll just tell you I did the YouTuber faux pas. I installed everything in my excitement. I got in a big hurry, and then I decided, oh dang, I need to take some video of these, so I did it with my phone. So here we go. Let's go out into my garage. Now this is the camera I have. It's a version 2. You have to have a version 2. So there you can see the hub in the back. And then right up here, I know the sun is killing me for exposure. There is the motion sensor. So let's turn around and look at the garage door. Now that camera is sitting, let me show you that camera. That camera is right in there. It's pointed outside looking at my entryway. Yes, it does not work at night unless the lights are really bright outside. But it's kind of this is kind of a test, and I've actually ordered another camera, but let me show you the door sensor. Now this is kind of a crazy location. You see where I had to clean. It's nice and clean. The 2 units have to be 2 centimeters apart for it to engage. I found it to be about which that's a 3/4 inch, 0.78, right? And I found it to really reach out to 1 inch, and I have no problems with this. I've tested over and over and over to make sure either this is not going to hit or this is enough distance, and it seems to be very reliable so far. This is something I've wanted to do with my SmartThings setup. Let me show you my SmartThings setup real quick. This is a tilt sensor on SmartThings. It sometimes, sometimes it'll report that, the wrong direction, that the little sensor isn't done, but it goes up and down with the garage. And so I've also done this. Now I did this SmartThings setup years ago. I have this little relay that I can do. I'll show you, maybe I'll show you a screenshot in my SmartThings setup. But I have it set up for this bay and for this bay. But you can see, if you see the 2 sensors right there. So now let's test the garage. All right, vertical video time. I'm going to open bay 2. Now what I found, well, look at that, bay 2, it went open almost immediately. I found that it takes some time, but maybe it was doing updates or something. There it goes open. Go ahead and close 2. I'm standing over here by the buttons. You can see the sensors right there. It's alright, this is not the best recording platform. Oops. Getting confused in my buttons. And it's also got motion right there. So that'll be great to turn on the lights. Bay 1 is not reporting. Let me refresh it, and it's closed. I guess it just depends on how fast they're reporting that. So there you go. All right, I apologize for the hodgepodge of a video, but this is how I'm going to be testing the Wyze Sense Starter Kit with my Wyze cameras. I'm going to get another camera in today and put it in the garage. I have cameras all over this property, honestly, with Ring and our Synology surveillance station. But If you have any questions or want me to try out any of the smarts, leave a question down below. I'm going to be getting into the app and testing all of the, like situations that I can do some smarts, like if this, then that, and some things like that, and see how I can make things work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you later. Be sure to check out the Reset podcast at reset.fm or wherever you subscribe to podcasts, and I'll talk a little bit more about this kit.